toast got burnt.
Let me try apple. This does not taste like much though.
Maybe we'll get reaction.
Yeah.
And then we'll know.
Wait.
We went to Tokyo 7. It was bad. We went to Crossroad Trading. It was bad. So we
either L train is like
gonna be really good or urban.
Yeah, one or the other.
But then we came to this cafe. It's being covered by this tree. And I got a pandan matcha latte, but it just tastes like uyu with like a dash of matcha.
I also think the pandan flavor is like coconut or something. So I feel like it just tastes like coleslaw and uyu.
Maybe. But the chai one is good.
Yeah, the chai's okay. It's kind of like watery.
Yeah.
But I saw the way they made it, and they just like pre-made chai and just add the milk.
I've had cauliflower so long. So good.
Karis has to tutor her cousin, so I'm walking around alone. I just went to a couple stores, couldn't find anything. And now I think I'm just gonna head to Bryant Park and kind of just see what there is to do. But I think I'm going the opposite way, so I need to look up the directions. Bye. Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Something. Enoch. Karis. Get in New York. Walking in New York. Did you hear what he said? No. He went, oh my god.
Don't embarrass me. I'll be here later.
Dude, your light is on.
Paparazzi.
How are you talking hot?
It's important. He acts like it's going crazy.
Why is he doing a strobe light?
Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you.
View of Karis's rooftop.
Yup.
And that is the Empire State Building. Karis's rooftop view part 2. So pretty.
Slade. He's gonna be like, you know when like skaters like go backwards, like, you know what I mean?